Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a nice freebie for you. Now, many of you all may have seen this one or even have this one in your lineup, but for those of you all who don't, this is definitely a great watch face to have in your lineup for a digital exercising watch face. If you're walking or running this weekend, this will be the watch face that you want to download and put on your wrist. The name of the watch face is called Iris 22 12 Hours. Now, looking at the watch face in the always on mode, it looks exactly the same. The only difference between the Gears 3 and the Gears 2 is the color of the hour. That's it, that's all. But when the watch face is on, it does have a nice look. It's a very simplistic look as well. Get the date at the top, big bold hour, you get your minutes, animated seconds along with a PM stamp, get your steps, miles walked or ran, heart rate, and your battery percentage. And they are interactive, so you can tap on them and simply go right into it. I thought this wasn't bad at all. You could do the same thing for the steps. But for a free watch face, I'm thinking people, this one here is definitely worthy of a download. If I double tap, I can change the theme of the watch face. If I can get it to go. See the lighting, it changes slightly, so ever so slightly, but I like it. Again, people, if you're exercising this weekend, this is definitely a watch face you want to download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, being safe. And with that, hit the like button on the way out if you liked the video. If not, hit the like button anyway. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.